Hello my dear students, welcome to mathematics class. So in the last video what we discussed actually area of triangle using Heron's formula, area, how to find out the area of the triangle. Then what is that area means? Area is nothing but the region bounded between the three sides, no? Region. So between the sides or between the figure. So area of the square, a square, area of the rectangle, length into breadth. So area of parallelograms, then base into height. So like that area concept we have got the idea in our previous classes. Okay, areas. So then you all know about the congruent figures also. The two figures, two or more figures having same shape and same size. Okay, then such figures are called as congruent figures. So one more topic actually. If the two figures of congruent figures, then they are equal in area. If two congruent figures are always equal in area because they are having the same shape and same size. For example, if two figures having equal area, can we say that the two figures are said to be congruent figures? For example, let us take one rectangle. Okay, so let us take one rectangle. Just imagine rectangle in your mind. So one length is 9 and breadth is 4. Then what is the area actually? 9 4s are 36. So then just imagine one square. Each side measurement is 6. Then what is the area actually? 6 6 is a square. What is the area of square actually? Area of square is a square. That is 6 6 is 36. So here rectangle also we got the area 36 and for square also we got the area 36. Now are they congruent figures? No, it's not a congruent figures because rectangle 9 and 4 measurement and square is having 6 6 measurement. But they are having equal area but not congruent figures. So this concepts and all you have already studied in your previous classes. Then what is the meaning of area? So area is nothing but the region bounded between the figure. Actually what figure is given? So between the region sides ಒಳಗಡೆ ಬರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ರೀಜನ್ ಅಥವಾ ಯಾವುದೋ ಒಂದು ಶೇಪ್ ಇದೆ ಅಂತ ಅಂದರೆ ಸೊ ಅದ್ರ ಒಳಗಡೆ ಬರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ರೀಜನ್ ಅನ್ನು ನಾವೇನಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ ಏರಿಯಾ. ಸೊ our topic is today's topic. I'm going to discuss one new topic for you, that is areas of parallelograms and triangles. So you all know, you are thinking now, areas of parallelogram concept already over, then area of triangle also we know. So we have got the two formulas to find out the area of the triangle. One is half into base into height. Another one is if three sides measurement is given, then Heron's formula also we got. Again, why this topic is given actually, areas of parallelograms and triangles. So you are thinking, no? Yeah, here is something new actually. So before going to discuss that areas of parallelograms and triangles, first we have to understand one new topic. Okay, so that new topic is nothing but, so our topic name is figures on the same base and between the same parallels. Got the idea? Heading, what is this heading actually? New, no? Yeah. So this new topic we have to understand properly. Okay, figures on the same base. Figures, you all familiar with the figures, right? Geometrical figures you all know. Figures on the same base you all know, and between the same parallels. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನರ್ಥ ಅಂದ್ರೆ actually ಫಿಗರ್ಗಳು ಎರಡು ಅಥವಾ ಎರಡಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಫಿಗರ್ಗಳು. ಹಿಯರ್ ಅವರ್ ಟಾಪಿಕ್ ಇಸ್ ಟೂ ಫಿಗರ್ಸ್. ಓಕೆ, ಟೂ ಫಿಗರ್ಸ್ ಆನ್ ದಿ ಸೇಮ್ ಬೇಸ್. ಎರಡೂ ಫಿಗರ್ಗಳು ಸೇಮ್ ಬೇಸ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಇರಬೇಕು. ದೆನ್ ಎರಡೂ ಫಿಗರ್ಗಳು ಎರಡು ಪ್ಯಾರಲಲ್ ಲೈನ್ಗಳ ನಡುವೆ ಇರಬೇಕು. ಅಂಥ ಫಿಗರ್ಸ್ನ ನಾವು ಐಡೆಂಟಿಫೈ ಮಾಡೋದನ್ನು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ತಿಳ್ಕೊಳ್ಬೇಕು. ಹೌ ಟು ಐಡೆಂಟಿಫೈ ಫಿಗರ್ಸ್ ಆನ್ ದ ಸೇಮ್ ಬೇಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಬಿಟ್ವೀನ್ ದ ಸೇಮ್ ಪ್ಯಾರಲಲ್ಸ್. ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ನೋಟಿಸ್ ದ ಟೂ ಫಿಗರ್ಸ್. ವೆದರ್ ದೇ ಆರ್ ಹ್ಯಾವಿಂಗ್ ದ ಸೇಮ್ ಬೇಸ್, ಫಸ್ಟ್ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡ್. ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಈಸಿ. ಸೊ ಎಸ್, ಬೋತ್ ಆರ್ ಹ್ಯಾವಿಂಗ್ ದ ಸೇಮ್ ಬೇಸ್ ನಾವು ನೋಡಿದ ಕೂಡಲೇ ಹೇಳ್ಬಿಡ್ತೀವಿ. Whether they are lie between the same parallels, that also you can see. For that I took few diagrams. Okay, so it is in your textbook also. You can refer page number 41 for this. You have the same pictures. I took that pictures only to understand the topic, figures on the same base and between the same parallels. So first we have to identify figures on the same base and between the same parallels. Look at the first diagram. So Just observe here ABCD and DCEFE. Okay, ABCD and DCFE. ABCD is one trapezium and DCFE is one parallelogram. Are they standing on the same base? Yes, of course. They are standing on the same base. But are they lie on the same parallels? No, because AB is here, little bit connection. So EF. No. So the two figures standing on the same base, okay, but they are not lying on the same parallels. Got the idea now? So this is not figures on the same base and between the same parallels. Let us move on to the next figure. So in this figure, what happened actually? Here also we are observing that both the parallelograms, okay, both the parallelograms, here you can give any name, okay, AB let us take. So here also both the parallelograms standing on the same base, SR. Base is SR. For this also base is SR, and for PQRS also base is SR only. But both the figures not lie on the same parallels. ಎರಡು ಪ್ಯಾರಲಲ್ ಲೈನ್ಗಳ ನಡುವೆ ನೀಟಾಗಿ ಫಿಕ್ಸ್ ಆಗಿದೆಯಾ? ಇಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಫಿಗರ್ಸ್ ಆನ್ ದ ನಾಟ್ ಬೇಸ್, ಸೇಮ್ ಬೇಸ್ ಬಿಟ್ವೀನ್ ದ ಸೇಮ್ ಪ್ಯಾರಲಲ್ಸ್. Now look at the third one. Third one is also like same, no? So two figures, two triangles standing on the same base, but they are not in between the parallels. Illi variation ide, so they are not in between the parallels. So this is also not our topic actually, right? No? Yes. Now let us come to this one. One parallelogram and one triangle standing on the same base, but they are not lying on the same parallels. Now let us come to the fifth diagram. Yes, here you just observe ABCD trapezium and EFCD parallelogram. They are standing on the same base DC, and they are standing on the they lie between the same parallels EF and DC. Are you observing this one neatly? Okay, figures on the same base and between the same parallels. See, this AF actually is parallel to DC. So then having the common base, this ABCD and this DCFE, both are standing on the same base and both are lying on the same parallels. So this is actually figures on the same base and between the same parallels. Got the idea, no? Yes. Now look at the next figure. Next figure also you can easily judge. Actually this is a common base and these are the parallel lines. This line is parallel to this. Both the figures here, PSRQ, one parallelogram, then MSRN. So understand properly, PSRQ, then MSRN, standing on the same base SR, between the same parallels PN and SR. So this is figure on the same base, figures on the same base and between the same parallels. Now look at this one. Okay, two triangles. So ABC and DBC, both the triangles standing on the same base DC. Okay, standing on the same base DC and between the same parallels. So this is figures on the same base and between the same parallels. Now this one is also same to same, no? So ADCB one parallelogram, then DCP one triangle, both are standing on the same base DC and between the same parallels. So this last figure is also figures on the same base and between the same parallels. Now I think you have got the idea of figures on the same base and between the same parallel. Can anyone define now figures on the same base and between the same parallel? Two figures, okay, standing on the same base and lie in between the, standing on the same base or having the common base also you can use. Okay, two figures having the common base and lie between the two parallel lines, then such figures are called as figures on the same base and between the same parallels. Got the idea of this figures on the same base and between the same parallels, no? And so now I think you are able to solve the first exercise. What is that first exercise actually? So in the first exercise, that is exercise 11.1. So here the question is like, the questions are like this, simple exercise. Simple topic this one. Which of the following figures lie on the same base and between the same parallels? In such a case, write the common base and two parallels. Okay, in such a case, write the common base and the two parallels. Total 6 diagrams given actually. So just you have to find out whether the figure is figure on the same base or not first. Same base and between the same parallels or not. Then if they are having the same base and between the parallel, then you have to write actually same base name, common base name and the two parallel lines name. Okay, so can we work out the first exercise now? Let us finish the first exercises in this video only. So this video actually the concept is figures on the same base and between the same parallels. Okay. Yes, now here we have the definition of figures on the same base and between the same parallels. Two figures are said to be on the same base and between the same parallels. When the two figures are said to be on the same base and between the same parallels, if they have a common base, or side, okay, and the vertices opposite to the common base, of each figure lie on a line parallel to the base. Got the idea no? Actually, if they have a common base, you have got the idea no? Then the vertices opposite to the common base. Common base ige opposite agiro vertices each figure ಇಂದು ಒಂದೇ ಲೈನ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಇರಬೇಕು. ಆ ಲೈನ್ ಕಾಮನ್ ಬೇಸ್ ಗೆ ಪ್ಯಾರಲಲ್ ಇರಬೇಕು. So then such figures are called as figures on the same base and between the same parallels. Got the idea of this concept now? Yes, now let us move on to the exercise 11.1 now. Yes students, now here we have exercise 11.1, one simple exercise related to figures on the same base and between the same parallels. Now look at the first figure. So first observe here triangle DPC and trapezium ADCB. Okay, two figures standing on the same base DC, no? Yes, standing on the same base DC. So common base is DC. Next, between the same parallels, yes, of course, between the same parallels, parallel name AB and DC. This is figures on the same base and between the same parallels. So how to write the answer actually? So common base, you have to take this like this, common base name is DC and the parallels. Okay, parallels, that is AB and DC. So, or you can write in sentence also. So, in this figure, triangle DPC and ADCB trapezium standing on the same base DC and between the parallels AB and DC. That type also you can write the answer. Okay. So, now come to the second diagram. Here PSRQ and MSRN trapezium. PSRQ parallelogram and MSRN trapezium standing on the same base SR but not lying on the same parallels, right now? So this is not figures on the same base between the same parallels. That type you have to write the solution. Next, here you just observe figure. So if we look from this side, we cannot observe this one, right now? Just observe from this side. Okay, from this side you just see the diagram. Here RTQ triangle and RSPQ parallelogram. Are you observing the diagram? RTQ triangle and RSPQ triangle standing on the same base. This is common base actually. RQ is common base for triangle and parallelogram and between the parallels this PS and PR. So this is figures on the same base between the same parallels. Now come to this one. Here we can here the figures like this only we have to see. PRQ triangle and ADCB triangle here actually lie on the same parallels. AB and BC parallel lines. But here PQ is another base and BC they are not standing on the common base. They two figures are lying on the parallels, between the parallels but not lying on the same base. So this is not a figures on the same base and between the same parallels. So in this figure what we are observing actually, how can we see the figure like this actually? ADQP and ADCB. Yes, standing on the same base and between the same parallels. Here same base name is, common base is AD between the parallels AD and BQ. So from this side we have to see the diagram. ADQP and ADCB. So two parallelograms standing on the same base AD and between the same parallels. So this is also figures on the same base and between the same parallels. Now look at this last figure. So last figure, so from the figure we can easily conclude that here the figures not having the common base. Here if we consider this SCBP1 parallelogram, then ADRQ1 parallelogram, they are lying on the same parallel but not having the common base. So this is not figures on the same base and between the same parallels. Got the idea of this concept, no students? This is exercise 11.1 related to figures on the same base and between the same parallels. In the next video, so we have to observe what are the benefits of if the two figures having the same base and in between the same parallels. I think some relationship between the two figures must be there, no? So that we have to observe. If two figures standing on the same base, in the next video we are going to discuss if two parallelograms standing on the same base and between the same parallels, then what we can observe, okay, what relationship we can observe. And if one triangle and one parallelogram standing on the same base and between the same parallel, then what relationship we can observe, okay. So that we have to see in the next video. Okay students, see you in the next video. Okay, so this is about the areas of parallelograms and triangles.